How to fix Facebook video has no sound. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If your Facebook video does not have a sound, you can easily fix it. Starting off, what you can do is tap open your phone settings. In the phone settings, navigate to the apps option and head over to all apps. From here, you can head over and select on the option of your Facebook or tap on the search icon and search for Facebook. There, tap on Force Stop button and OK. Then head over to Storage in Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button. This will help you to fix any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. After this, next step would be to check for system update. Make sure that your system is up to date. Also check that your volume is at a decent level. Once you have rest assured of it, next step is to check out your Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on the search icon and search for your Facebook. Now, if you see any of the update, make sure to update your app or uninstall the application and you will have to reinstall it later. After that, you can try to launch your Facebook again and check out the video. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.